I hate people like you. The smug faces of sponsors. Acting like they care about me. But really, they just compare me to show how noble you are. Little bitch.
Why would I help such an ungrateful person? You just wait, I'll make you pay for this.
You were just born lucky. But so what? Your clothes, I can wear them whenever I want. And I can even sleep with your husband.
Ready. Mr. Mo and the others are waiting.
All right. But taking me to this event, won't they talk?
Talk about what? Everyone knows Shaching has been bedridden for 3 years after the accident.